वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं, सावध आनी भलायकीन. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता जिरेम मिरेम किंगफिश. ओके, सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाउ टू मेक cumin pepper dish, cumin pepper kingfish. So it will be semi gravy. First of all, I have taken like, this is like around 6 pieces of fish. You can take more. And I'll apply salt to this and leave this till we do our marination. So this, let it get marinated. तर हांवें हे नुस्त्याचे आमचे सुरमय म्हणटात, कोयेचे म्हणटात आनी इंग्लिशीन किंगफिश. सो इन कोंकणी वी से फॉर दिस फिश कोयेचे. ओके, कोयेचे. किंगफिश इन इंग्लिश, सुरमई इन हिंदी. So if you want to take more, you can take more pieces. I am taking only this much. Okay, then we have to grind this masala. 2 green chilies, few curry leaves. The main ingredients of this is pepper 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoon of cumin seed. Then this is like few garlic flakes. This is a small garlic pot, so it is like 10 garlic flakes, a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of poppy seed powder, 1 small onion. Then we need this cinnamon stick too, and this is like around 12 of cloves and 2 of green cardamom. So we need all this to grind, and I have soaked this tamarind, so I am going to grind with this much only water. So we'll get that nice sourness also, sour to the dish. So now I'm not going to use oil. Again, this recipe is oil free recipe. If anybody wants to add oil, you all can add oil to this recipe, but I am not going to add. This is oil free, zero oil recipe. So मानता तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी हे आता पोरून घेतले. नुस्ते जाय आमचे कोयेचे नुस्ते. मिरया 1 कुलेर घेतल्या, 2 हरी मिरच्यो घेतल्या, धाकटुसो कुडको आल्याचो. ह्यो जावन आसा थोड्योश्यो आमचे लसूण बोयो धाकटुश्यो. हे जावन आसा 2 कुलेरा जिरे. हे जावन आसा हल्दी पिठो, आमचे धनियाचो पावडर, 1 धाकटुसो कांदो वांटपाक, 1 आमचे खसखस. ओके, पॉपी सीड खसखस. थोडी हांवें कालुफुरां घेतल्या, 12 ते 15 कशी, आनी 2 हे घेतला आमची इलायची. मागीर आमची तिखी आनी इल्लीशी कोथमीर. हे आतां आमी वांटून घेवया. हे आमसाणीचो योग धाकटुसो हो बॉल कहो घेतलेलो. आतां तितूनच हांव वांटून हे घेता, बारीक पेस्ट करूया. जिरे मेरे रेसिपी, जिरे आणि मिरे. आता मी वाटून घेऊया. So what I have done, this I have already used. So this balance I just, instead of throwing it out, I again added a little bit of water, that is half cup of water, and soak that tamarind again. And if needed, then I will add it when I am cooking this fish. Okay, don't get confused. That I've already added. I've showed you with that water only I've grinded, and this I don't want to discard it. If I'm getting more, either I will use for this or for the next use. So now this is our masala. Let's add this and this. The aroma is yum. And in this only I'll add this water. And keep this. तर हांवें ती आमसाण जे उदक हांवें वांटा तेन्ना घातलेले ते हांवें आमसाण भायर मारूंक ना, तितून आनीक इल्लें उदक घातलें आनी दवरला. उपयोग जाय जाल्यार करया एक कोडयेक. सो नाव वील स्टार्ट. सो हियर इट इज. नाव आय एड द water and mix this. Otherwise it will become too thick. And we'll give a boil to this. We'll add little bit of more water to this. So I use that all tamarind ka water. This is okay. So let's give a boil. So now the boil is come, we'll add our fish to this. And we'll cook this for 10 minutes, and the fish is cooked within 10 minutes because it is fish. Check the salt and add accordingly. तुम्ही तेल ये कितें तें मीठ घालात. ओके, ही जावन आसा कोडी आमची तेला बगर. आनी ओके, मीठ घालात मातशें आनी हेका शिजोवनी बरें. And now we can add little bit of sugar to this. Last touch, that is half teaspoon of sugar. But if you don't want to use, then please don't add. It's up to you. Illishi sakor udela last. Okay, konang naka, tenka uzar gon naka. For our quick recipe, Kingfish Jeerem Meerem is ready. The fish is cooked. Try this recipe and enjoy. This goes very well with pulao and rice. Okay, if you want to reduce the spiciness of this, then you can reduce the peppercorns, which gives you that hot flavor. And you can instead of 2 green chilies, you can add 1 green chili, or don't add green chili. It's up to you. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें सगळें आवडटलें. थँक यू. देव बरें करूं. सर्व दिस. enjoy this yum dish. Present it nicely. Thank you. Devare Kuru.